Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you something different. So this some color grading. I'm going to show you cinematic color grading, and this is a simple and easy method to do. So I'm going to show you the process. So I'm using Photoshop CAMERARAW, okay, and I think this images look so great. Okay, so only thing first we're going to do is that we're going to open this basic, okay, and turn this one to, okay, let's say plus 20, and let's just make this one to this side, okay, it's 19 is not bad. So anytime you just do something, just check the by pass before and after. So we're going to move to this side exposure to make it down like this. Okay, so I'm going to turn this one to 264, and let's make this one okay, let's make this one okay, thanks, this is good. Then we'll move to the highlights to be 0, and let's turn this shadow to 60, and let's the white to be around plus 20. Okay, so let's check it before and after. Great. And I'm going to turn this black into this side, so let's see 14, and move to texture, and I'm going to increase this one to 8 or 9, and the clarity to be around 24, and in here will be 12. So I'm going to turn this one to 12 like this. So let's check it before and after. Have you seen it? Nice. And we're going to move to this, okay, vibrance, and just turn it to down like this. Okay, let's make it 18 and make this one 19. Okay, if it's going to make it difficult for you, you can just make it like this, 19, and here. Okay, that's it. Let's check before and after. So we're going to move to next step, okay, to curve, and let's move to the white one, and just make this 1, 2, 3. So when you're done with it, just move this one to down like this, and make this one to up like this, and here to be up like this. Okay, and let's move to this one to down like this, and here is going to be a little to top like this, but not much. Yeah, that's great. And let's check before and after. Then we just move to color mixer, and we're going to start from the hue. Okay, so hue, you're going to turn this one to this side. Okay, or let's make the first one 0 first, and let's move this one to here. Okay, and also turn this one to this side, and make sure the green is going to be around here. So check it before and after, and let's turn this one to around here. Okay, and I think the blue is going to be around here too. So just put the numbers in your head and try with your image and see how it's going to work. Okay, so when you're done with it, let's just leave this 2 and move to the saturation, and turn the saturation around here, and make this one around here. Okay, and turn this one to around the side, and make this one around turn this one to around here. Okay, here. Let's just push this one. So I'm just working to see how it's going to just affect it, and I said this one is great. So check it before and after. So let's move to luminous, and this one I'm going to add just a little things. This and this is going to be here. Okay, and when you're just done with it, move to color grading. So color grading, this blending, I'm going to put this blending around 100, and it comes to this shadow. I'm going to leave it. We don't have to attach this one. Just control this, make it around here. Okay, and turn this one around here. Just move this one, so just working with it here. Okay, I think this is cool. And let's move to detail and open the sharpener and turn the sharpening details, and just turn the amounts. This is the amounts. So here, and make this one to be around here. I think this is cool, and let's just push this one to 58. Now let's check before and after. Okay, so when you just done with this, move to here. Okay, so here's the final. Here's the final. Calibration, here's the final. So I'm going to push this one to here to 60, and make this one to 39. This one 39, and here is now part. You're going to move this one a little bit. Okay, and I think this one's just damaged the image, so let's just leave this. I'll just try it here, but I think here is cool. And let's just check it before and after. Okay, so how we can just see what we just done right now. You see it before and after. So guys, this is what I just want to show you today, and let's just be into this and just work so fast. So guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my page, and I'm awake. See you for the next video. Bye.